Good evening. My name is Major Wes Whitaker, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Google Translate. As a teacher, I have kids that come to my classroom from other countries for the first time. And a lot of times I'm trying to find translators to help me understand how to guide the student. Google Translate, I've been having a lot of fun with the last couple of weeks. So here is how it works. I click the language I want to speak from. So let's just say English is what I want to speak from. And I want to say something in Spanish. I can type it, hello. It'll translate to hola. I can text, hello, my name is Major Wes Whitaker. I think that's awesome. And so if I open up Google Translate a little bit more, I can even add documents to this. So let's just say I want to, well, before I do that, let's just say I have lesson planned for tomorrow, and I do. And so we're going to paste that, cut and paste it here and see how that looks. So for tomorrow, here's part of what we're doing. So I'm going to paste it in here. And voila, it comes out in Spanish. And then the person receiving this can listen to. And I can share this to the student's school email account. And this can be translated into many languages. So I think that's awesome. And so I selected this source because I often have students who come to my course that don't speak English. And again, finding someone to help translate can become challenging, especially depending on the language that I have to try to translate. My goals and objectives by using this resource is to bridge the language barrier and to serve all my students academically and socially, helping my new students fit into their new environment. My intended audience are my new students that don't speak English, as well as their parents. And the ISTE standards for students that I covered is IST1, Empowered Learner, A and C, and ISTE6, the Creative Communicator, A and C. The ISTE standard used for educational leaders that I use is ISTE2, Visionary Planner, letter D. In regards to the final product, this has truly been experimental. It's been a lot of fun for me as well. But as students enter my classroom with a language barrier, my hope is that this tool will assist me in using help to communicate effectively with my students with their intent of leaving my classroom, understanding the lesson of the day, and feeling more welcome into their new environment. So with that, I hope you guys enjoy Google Translate. There's so many languages. Have a lot of fun. Try it. You'll really enjoy it. Thank you for your time. Take care. Have a great evening.